To optimize Google Analytics segments, start by understanding what segments are and how they can be used to analyze specific groups of users. Google Analytics segments are subsets of your data that allow you to isolate and examine specific user behaviors, such as demographics, traffic sources, or devices. First, navigate to the Google Analytics dashboard and select the reporting view for which you want to create a segment. Then click on the Admin tab and select Segments from the options. Google Analytics provides a variety of predefined segments, such as mobile traffic, organic traffic, or returning users, which can be used as a starting point. To create a custom segment, click on the New Segment button and select the conditions that define your segment. For example, you can create a segment for users who have made a purchase, or for users who have visited a specific page on your website. You can also use demographics, such as age, location, or language, to create segments. When creating a segment, it is essential to use the correct logic, such as and or, to ensure that your segment includes the correct users. For example, if you want to create a segment for users who are from the United States and have made a purchase, you would use the and logic. To apply a segment to a report, navigate to the Reports tab and select the report you want to view. Then click on the All Users tab and select the segment you want to apply from the drop-down menu. This will update the report to show only the data for the selected segment. It is also important to regularly review and update your segments to ensure that they are still relevant and accurate. This can be done by analyzing the data in the segment and making adjustments as needed. Best practices for optimizing Google Analytics segments include keeping the number of segments to a minimum, using clear and descriptive names for your segments, and regularly reviewing and updating your segments. By following these best practices and using segments effectively, you can gain a deeper understanding of your users and make data-driven decisions to improve your website and marketing strategies.